Welcome back to Bike Lane, where we bring you the latest and most exciting motorcycles from around the world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated new 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a dual-sport machine that promises power, versatility, and true adventure spirit. Design and build. The CRF 750L carries Honda's iconic off-road DNA with a modern adventure twist. It features a lightweight frame, aggressive front stance, and improved aerodynamics. The high ground clearance, rugged suspension, and slim bodywork make it ready for both urban commutes and wild off-road trails. Engine and performance. At its heart, the CRF 750L comes with a parallel twin 750 cubic centimeters engine, delivering strong mid-range torque and excellent high-speed performance. Honda has tuned this motor to balance power with fuel efficiency, making it perfect for long-distance rides without compromise. Technology and features. The 2026 model is loaded with modern rider aids. Expect ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS tailored for both street and off-road conditions. The bike also gets a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, ensuring you stay in control and connected on every adventure. Comfort and practicality. Honda has designed the CRF 750L for true adventure touring. The seat is comfortable for long hours, while the adjustable suspension provides smooth handling across rough terrains. With optional luggage systems and improved fuel tank capacity, this bike is built for endless exploration. Final thoughts. The new 2026 Honda CRF 750L is more than just a dual-sport motorcycle, it's Honda's answer to riders seeking a perfect balance between adventure and daily practicality. With its robust engine, advanced technology, and legendary Honda reliability, the CRF 750L is set to be a game-changer in the adventure bike category. That's all for today's review of the new 2026 Honda CRF 750L. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Lane for more motorcycle updates, reviews, and comparisons. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.